Good morning, folks. Rogers Motor Cars here. We've got a 2014 Toyota Land Cruiser. Just got this in from a previous client of referral, and it's born and raised here in Houston. Hasn't left. Very, very nice. It has 113,000 miles. Black tan. These come pretty much fully loaded with everything. They're all the same. It's got the DVD, sunroof, heated, cooled seats. Cooler box, third row. It's got the front, side, and rear cameras. You have 2 keys for it, 2 key fobs, all the books, remote for the DVD player, and the headphones. It's got brand new BF Goodrich all-terrain tires on it. Clean Carfax. It was just serviced at the dealership, Did power steering flush. Oil and filter change, tire rotation, and their multi-point inspection. Rides and drives like it's brand new. All the records are on the Carfax as well. Dealer maintained. Very, very clean. Not what you would expect for a 2014. They didn't have any kids, so the interior is very nice. Usually these are a little bit roughed up inside, but you can see there's no stains. Back seat still looks nice and fresh. You can see there. Our DVD player up there, sunroof, nice rear mats. You have the 4-zone climate control back here, heated seats. Take a look here on the inside. Got all your buttons here for heated steering wheel, diff lock. Of course, all the 4-wheel drive buttons here. Switch, navigation, everything's working the way it should. Just a little bit of wear on this seat. It's nothing that you wouldn't expect. 113,000 miles. Still looks really good. And here we go, right there. You can see that 113,366 miles. No warning lights are on inside the dash. It is ready to go for another 30 years or more, probably. I've owned a bunch of these. My wife drove a LX 570 to about 300,000 miles. They're great on the highway, very comfortable suspension. Got all the kids and everything, you just really don't have to worry about them. Give us a call, text, or email. The website is rogersmotorcars.com. You can find the pricing there. You can reach us, you can get the free Carfax there. We hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching.